Hi, good morning. How are you, students? Hope you are fine, all of you. We are going to start today new unit, water and air. So, water we can divide into three parts. First, chemical test. This means we are going to find out or identify presence of water. Second one, treatment of water, mean how to clean water for drinking purpose and where we use water molecules. First of all, here we have three objectives about water. So describe chemical test for water using cobalt chloride and the copper sulfate. This means we are going to use two chemicals here, first cobalt chloride and second copper sulfate, to identify the presence of water there. The second objective, describe in outline the treatment of water in terms of filtration and chlorination. Third, name some of the uses of water in industry and in the home where we will use this. Very simple and easy. Now the first part about water is chemical test for water. First one is cobalt chloride turns blue to pink on the addition of water. Look here, CuCl2 cobalt chloride, its color is initially blue. When you add water molecule in cobalt chloride, so the color change from blue to pink. Cobalt chloride dot 6H2O. So here color pink and here blue. So when color change from blue to pink, it means there is water. Second example about copper sulfate. So here written anhydrous copper sulfate. So first I want to explain you what is anhydrous. It's mean without water. If here written here hydrated, then we call with water. So this is the difference between anhydrous and hydrated. Anhydrous mean without water molecule and hydrated mean with water molecule. So here copper sulfate, first initial CuSO4, its color is white. When you add water molecule in copper sulfate, then its color change from white to blue. So copper sulfate dot 5H2O, its mean its color is blue. This is all about the chemical test of water. It means we are going to identify presence of water. Is there water or not? Now second objective, water treatment. Mean purification, you can say purification of water. So untreated water contains soluble and insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities include soil, pieces of plants and other organic matters, and soluble impurities include dissolved calcium, metallic compounds and inorganic pollutants. Now how to filter? For filtration or for purification of water, we have here first this diagram we will use. First we want to know what is filtration. Is a process used to remove large insoluble particle by passing the water. When we pass a plenty of water, we can remove the particles by using filter paper. Second one, bacteria or microorganisms, germs, how to kill germs or bacteria in water molecule. We call that process is chlorination, by adding chlorine molecules. Because if there is bacteria and microorganism, we got many other kinds of diseases. So look at this diagram. This is actually water treatment plant. How to clean water, how to purify water. First we have to add water here, the first step. And here this is the filtration plants. We are going to filter water molecules to remove large insoluble particle in this step. Then second step is sedimentation. Mean the particles present in water, rock especially, and these rocks particles settle down, and then we transfer into third beaker. This one you can say container, you can call. Here we use plenty of water to clean again, and after that we push here, and this part we add chlorine added. Why we add chlorine? You must know the reason, because to kill bacteria, germs or microorganisms, especially in this step. Now then the final step, we push from here into storage tank, and then we will use. Here where we add chlorine, we can also add charcoal to remove unwanted color. We use charcoal to remove unwanted color. Now come on the third objective, uses of water, where we use water in industry and where we use water in homes. So as a coagulant to reduce the temperature of some industrial process, mean nuclear power plants, watering crops, we use water as a solvent. In laboratory also we use water to produce or to generate electricity, and then we can use water for many other purposes like production of ethanol from ethene and steam in form of water. In homes, for drinking, for cooking, for washing, for many other purposes we use water home also. This is all about water.